get some water. Here. Here, baby. Oh, thanks. Ooh, can you do it?
Make sure she doesn't spill that.
Here, put your paintbrush in here.
Paint me a picture.
Good, now put it here. Good girl.
Now paint.
Now put on here, look.
Look. Good girl.
Girl.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
She's more interested in the water, isn't she?
She is. Ooh.
Paint a picture. Good girl.
Good girl.
Now paint.
Now put on here.
Go like this. Go. Good girl. You're pretty good at that part.
And you want mine too? You can have mine too. Is that fun? Put on here.
Other side.
Good job. Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think about that?
Look, Mommy's going to paint her picture too. See? Oops. See, look.
Good girl.
Good job. It is really fun.
You like that part, right? Okay. Good girl.
Good job. Okay, you want mine too? Whoops.
I think you can only handle one at a time, girl.
Yeah.
Nice try, though. It's good to be ambitious.
Very good. Take your picture. Good job. Mm-hmm.
That's interesting.
She loves it.
Good. Add another arts and crafts to her resume.
Absolutely.
I don't think I'd stick that in your mouth, girl.
It's just water. It just doesn't taste good.
I warned you. You gotta learn to listen to me. Oh, no, no, no. Don't do that.
Sweetie. Very good. Hey.
Yum, yum. I mean, I didn't mean to say that. Whoops. Not yum, yum. Alright, signing off.